When we talk to customers and hear about their experiences with the support offered by other equipment suppliers, we tend to hear a common theme related to lack of access and lack of follow-up. ASC agrees that rapid response is a key metric in a good customer experience, and that's why we set up our systems and train our people to assure quick support. Here's what we do to make sure that happens. First, ASC will always respond immediately to a support email or phone call. We have a much larger staff than our competitors, so someone is always available for you. Second, every person you work with in the support process is trained on how to provide professional and efficient support. We care about the experience you receive. Third, once a support ticket is open, we continually follow up to get the matter resolved quickly and to make sure you know that we still care about you and your issue. We won't leave you guessing whether someone is working on your issue or not. Fourth, we'll travel on short notice to solve problems that need on-site assistance. If a purchase order is needed, we'll provide a quote the same day so we can be on site the next. If it's an issue under warranty, we'll determine whether the problem requires a site visit and then execute on that quickly. We hate equipment downtime as much as you. Fifth, as a manufacturer, we have millions of dollars of replacement parts in our inventory. So when you need a part replaced to complete a repair, we can usually ship it the same day. And finally, we care that our fix was effective. We'll always email or call to get confirmation that the fix is working before we consider the ticket closed.